Introducing a new large Wi-Fi clock. Now with the Wi-Fi built in, you can automatically sync it up to your network where it automatically adjusts your time. You no longer have to be worrying about losing the time or if the power goes out or even adding that second battery. Today we're going to bring a digital clock, and it's just not any ordinary digital clock. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So this one has Fahrenheit, Celsius, and it comes with many features. It has the time, the day. You can set up your digital clock to be an alarm or a timer too. And we're going to go over some features. Now, on top of that, you do have a space for an extra battery here. You put your AAA battery on this side. It's to retain the actual the data that you set up. If you set up a timer or a clock or alarm, you can retain it there. So in case there's a power failure or disconnects, you can do that. Now on top of that, it does have a lighting area here for auto or high or low. And then it has a kickstand here, if you guys notice. And two speakers, two audio speakers, really loud speakers, so you can hear it. And on top of that, you could hang these on your actual wall too. So it does come with some instructions how to hang it in, separations, easy to set up. Not that bad. Long clock, beautiful digital clock. If you guys can see that. All right, just to let you guys know, it does come with a ruler here. If you're going to measure it and set it up, you could set this up as a reference sheet to actually make the holes in the actual wall. And they refer to the holes behind the actual digital clock, if you guys can see that. And they're exactly the same point to point, how many inches away from each other, easy to set up. Now, they do have the kickstand, if you guys notice the kickstand. Awesome little kickstand, and you could put it anywhere. Not even, if you don't have to put it on the wall, you could put it on the stand if you want to. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.